Hi guys, so you are welcome to this edition of our training, and in today's video I will show you how to create a sticker that you can use on your WhatsApp. I will show you how to create a sticker that you can use on your WhatsApp. Alright, maybe to engage your WhatsApp community or your customers or anyone on WhatsApp. So all I have to do basically, I would like to use okay, let me show you a sample of what I just did. I'll show you a sample of the one I did before. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so this is a sample here. Thanks for patronizing us at the GLIMS Media. Alright, so if I click on this part here, if I click on my message, this emoji here, and I click on this, I will have something like this. New members, you are warmly welcome. Alright, so how do I create something like this and also add it up to my WhatsApp? So it's very simple. So I'll go to Canva. This is Canva right here. This is Canva. Alright, if you don't have Canva on your mobile phone, you can go and download Canva from Play Store. So to download Canva from Play Store, it's very simple. You just go to your Play Store, you download Canva. This is Canva right here. Canva. Okay, you can see Canva. So this is Canva. So already I have Canva on my mobile phone. So all I have to do is to go to Canva. I'll go to Canva. I'll go to Canva. Alright, this is my Canva app. Although for me, I'm using a pro version. Okay, so you can still use your normal free version to do it. So if you're using a free version of Canva, you can use it. But I'm using a pro version, which is absolutely free for me. I'm not paying to get a pro version. So if you want to know how to get a pro version of Canva, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Alright, the number is displaying on your screen. Okay, so let's continue now. I'll go to this plus sign here and I'll click on Instagram post square. This is Instagram post square here. Can you see it? So this is Instagram post square. And then I'll click on it, this blank space. The blank page here. You see the blank page? Okay, I'll click on this text here. This text. This is the text here. Can see text here. Okay, this is the text option. So I'll click on it and I'll click on add a heading. So I'll say thank you for your order. You will get the course in a moment. Alright, so I can just have something like this. You understand? So I can have something like this and reduce it. Thank you for your order. You will get the course in a moment. Alright, so this is it. Alright. Then I'll now say okay, I'll just click on this part here. I want to download it here, so I'll click on this. So I'll click on this and download. I'll click on download. Then I'll change this png here to jpeg. Okay, so I'll increase the quality. Now for a pro version you can increase the quality, but for a free version of Canva you cannot increase the quality of your Canva picture. All right, but for me I'm using a pro, like I told you before. So if you don't know how to get a pro version of Canva, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So now I'll click on download. I'll click on download. So I'll click on this download button here. Okay, so I'll click on the download button. I'll click on download button. So it's downloading right now. Awesome. So that's for that. I'm done downloading it. Okay, so I'm done. And then I'll go to my WhatsApp now to test this. I'll go to my WhatsApp. I'll say I'll click on this emoji button here. This emoji button you are seeing here. I'll click on it. And then I'm going to click on create. I'll click on create, sorry. I'll click on create. Then I'll click on use a photo. I'll click on use a photo. Then I'll go to gallery. You can see it now. So this is the graphics I just created now. So I'll click on this. As you can see, there are two options here. You see the one that is looking as if it removed the background, while there is one that is carrying the background. So I want to pick the one that has the background. Yeah, thank you for your order. You will get the cost in a moment. Then I'll click on send. Can you see it now? So I have this now. Thank you for your order. You will get the cost in a moment. So if I go back to this emoji here, and you will find out that I have the option already here. This is it here. So I'll just click on I'll click on it, and then I'll be able to send it as a message to anyone, whether in a group chat or to a personal message. So this is just how to create a sticker for your on your WhatsApp. All right, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.